blinds, coffee cups and quiet sighs, the tangled ties that bind. You say my jokes are corny, I say you're way too neat, but in this dance of give and take we find our steady beat.
Your socks on the floor, my patience worn thin, but laughter breaks the silence, that's where healing begins. We're patching up the cracks, painting over the pain, with the Lord as our anchor we dance through the rain.
Sometimes the storm feels heavy, sometimes the night feels long, but in each other's arms we find where we belong. We're not perfect, no, but love's a work in progress. Hand in hand, heart in heart, we learn to confess. We're stronger in the middle where the flaws meet the light, building bridges from the battles, turning wrongs into right. With laughter as our language and faith as our song. Together we're unstoppable, together we belong. December, when tempers ran high, I said things that stung, you said you might just cry. But we knelt down together, hands trembling, eyes closed tight, asked for grace to cover us, to bring back the light.
Your stubborn pride meets my fiery will, but love's a flame that never stands still. We learn to bend, we learn to sway, finding peace in the give and play.
Sometimes the road is rocky, sometimes the path unclear, but with the Lord beside us there's nothing to fear. We're not perfect, no, but striving every day to walk this journey, loving come what may. We're stronger in the middle where the flaws meet the light, building bridges from the battles, turning wrongs into right. With laughter as our language and faith as our song. Together we're unstoppable, together we belong. I'll admit I'm not always the man you thought I'd be, but with every stumble you still believe in me.
Your smile's the compass, your heart is the guide, in this imperfect love I find my pride. I'm learning patience, learning to say I'm wrong,
finding humor in the moments where we don't belong.
with God as our foothold, steady and strong.
Our love's a melody, a beautiful song.
We patch the holes with kindness, stitch the seams with care. Through every little argument we find the love we share. The quirks and the habits, the ways we don't align, are just pieces of the puzzle, making you mine.
You roll your eyes at me, I tease you back, but it's all part of the rhythm and the love we've packed. No need for perfection, just a heart that's true. Every day I'm grateful to be here with you.
We laugh at our mistakes, dance through the flaws, turning every weakness into something applause. With a wink and a nod we keep moving ahead, by the grace that we lean on, the prayers we've said.
Sometimes the night seems endless, sometimes the dawn is slow, but in the sacred love we find the strength to grow. We're not perfect, no, but love's a sacred art, drawing closer, healing every broken part. We're stronger in the middle where the flaws meet the light, building bridges from the battles, turning wrongs into right. With laughter as our language and faith as our song.